right, this is a type 2 problem. The last type 2 problem we saw, I gave you a V0 and I gave you an angle. In this problem, and it's not necessarily drawn to scale, I'm giving you a dy and a dx. This height is 6,000 meters, and this distance is 12,000 meters. And the object of the exercise is to determine V0 and the angle. Now, if I know dy, I could tell you how long it took me to get how long it took me to get to that height, because it's represented like this. It's represented like that. Dy, root dy over 5. So, what is root dy over 5? So it'll be Ty equals 6,000 divided by 5. 6,000 divided by 5 is? 34.6. 34.6. Can we say 35? Is that okay?
Yeah.
35 seconds. Okay, now, let's leave that there for now. Now, if it took 35 seconds to get to the peak,
70.
if it took 35 seconds to get to here, not to here,
35.
I'm talking about to here, Michael. Okay? It took 35 seconds to get to here. It takes 70 seconds to get to here. I understand that. But if it took 35 seconds to get to here, what would the velocity have been that got it to that height? Well, the equation we know for this is going to be V
Equals D over T.
equals
G T Y.
G Ty. V equals GTY. So, every second, it's going to gain 10 meters per second. It's vertical. So, 35 seconds times 10 would be 350 meters per second. Now, we know, Michael said 70 seconds, and that is true for the total time it takes to get to here, at 70 seconds. Now, if it takes 70 seconds to get to here, and I went 12,000 meters, what equation would allow me to find the velocity for the x direction?
Vx equals dx over tx.
Vx equals dx over tx.
Mr. Dorsey, you put 350 on the Vx, not Vy.
Thank you. This goes here. 350 meters per second. Sorry. So what is 12,000 divided by 70?
171.4.
171. Can we just say 171 meters per second?
Yep.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Let's erase some values in here. We'll erase this. We'll erase this. We'll erase this. We'll erase this. Okay, now, if I want to find V0, I know two things about V0. I know that V0 equals root Vx squared Vy squared. That's the magnitude of V naught. So what is going to be the answer to that? Well, let's go over here. We have 171 squared plus 350 squared, square root.
390.
390. 390. Let's erase this. Let's erase this. And we'll put the equation for theta. I know that tangent -1 of Vy over Vx equals theta. 350 divided by 171. So the y is going to be greater than the x. So the angle is going to be greater than 45 degrees. So it should make sense. So we'll say tangent -1 arctangent equals 350 over 171. Theta equals 64 degrees. Let's review. Let me erase this. Let me erase this. I was given dy and dx. I found ty from dy. First thing I found. Multiplied by 10 to find Vy. I know Ty, Tx is double that, 70. I know dx, so dx over Tx is Vx. So now I have everything I need to finish the problem. The square root of the sum of the squares of Vx and Vy equals V naught. The arctangent of Vy over Vx is 64 degrees.